night at Hechos News. In Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico, there are many cameras around the Periférico watching all the cars that cross over. They go more than 18 kilometers per hour. The cameras take photos in order to send the owner infraction. They can take pictures to a distance of 300 meters. They are just as good as the ones that they use in the USA. For other side, the government tells us more than 80 kilometers per hour is not allowed in order to prevent accidents. For other hand, Japan's nuclear power plant operator expects to stop pumping radioactive water into the ocean on Monday, but when it will be finished, who knows? Perhaps on Wednesdays we can get more information. And for other hand, in Peru has been reported more than 100 irregulations. These are some of the most important international news. And now with you, Pedro Garcia.
Thanks, Carlos. Hello everybody, my name is Pedro Garcia and today I'm going to talk about the new iPad. The iPad 2 is just as easy to use as the iPad 1. This new iPad has 2 cameras and a dual-core A5 chip. It has a lithium battery with a 10-hour battery life. The iPad 2 isn't quite as heavy as iPad 1 because it's 33% thinner and 15% lighter than iPad 1. This new tablet is perfect to read your mail, to surf on the web, to watch movies in high definition and many other things. The iPad 1 isn't quite as fast as the iPad 2. It also has the new Mac's mobile operating system, the Mac iOS 4. These characteristics makes it the best tablet in the market, and it only costs $499. This is all for today. I'll see you next week. For any doubt or suggestion, please enter to our webpage www.hechosnews.com. And now with you, Fernando Hinojosa.
Thank you, Pedro. Welcome to the weather. The weather in Mexico is very varied. For today and tomorrow in Mexico City will be have just as windy as Oaxaca. In Chiapas will be have almost as storms as Quintana Roo, because Quintana Roo will be have a storms with hope. In Coahuila will be have the same weather as Zacatecas, but this won't be nearly as cloudy as Monterrey and Morelia. In Veracruz, it's going to be a thunderstorms all the week. I recommend you, please don't go out of your homes. You should to take the best precautions. And the rest of the country will be have a sunny day. In Guadalajara, today there will be the possibility to rain. And for tomorrow, there will be some clouds. And the Thursday, there will be a sunny day. For me, that's all. Thank you, and remember, be happy. Please don't forget the big commercial. Go to the commercial break. What's happening to me? I'm sorry. F. E. W. I.
L.
O. L. D. E.
A. T.
E.
H.
What's the deal?
What's that?
Better view them.
No!
Calm down.
No!
Nothing's